In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate AutoDS with Facebook. By the end, you'll have your Facebook selling channel connected to AutoDS so you can manage products, pricing, and orders from one dashboard with fewer manual tasks. Start by opening your browser and heading to the AutoDS website. On the homepage, choose the option to sign in with Google. Select the Google account you want to use and confirm any prompts that appear. This quickly creates your AutoDS account and takes you into the setup flow. Right after signing in, AutoDS will ask you to choose your selling channel. Select Facebook. This tells AutoDS which marketplace you're connecting, so it can prepare the right permissions and tools behind the scenes. Next, AutoDS will require you to subscribe to a plan before you can finish the integration. Pick the plan that makes sense for your current needs. If you're testing the waters, a smaller plan or a monthly option can be a safe start, and you can always upgrade later as you grow. Click the plan you prefer, choose your payment method, and follow the prompts to enter your billing details. Make sure the name and billing address match what your bank has on file to avoid payment declines. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the payment window and verification screens can load properly. Once your subscription is active, AutoDS will prompt you to log into your Facebook account. Sign in using your Facebook credentials and grant the requested permissions so AutoDS can connect to your assets. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. Confirm you're on the correct Facebook profile that manages the page or shop you plan to connect. After Facebook confirms the connection, you'll be redirected to the AutoDS dashboard. Here, look for the option to add a store. Click Add Store and select Facebook again to finalize the link. AutoDS may display your connected page or shop. Confirm it's the right one and proceed. If you don't see the prompt right away, refresh the dashboard and check for any banners or notifications at the top of the page. That's it, the integration is complete. From here, you're ready to configure your store inside AutoDS, import products, and set up your rules. If something doesn't connect on the first try, double check that pop-ups are enabled, make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account, and verify your AutoDS subscription is active. You're now set to streamline your Facebook selling with AutoDS.